Hi everyone, my name is Karina Baroy and basically I'm from Bathinda, Punjab, but I study at Delhi University, Jesus and Mary College, and I'm currently pursuing BCom honors. And also I'm the founder of an initiative called Pace Up Mom, which helps moms to keep up with changes in technology. I recently started this initiative 2 months back and I'm currently working upon it. Recently, I also got the opportunity for a pre-placement at Deloitte USI, and next year I'll be starting my corporate journey with Deloitte. So, coming to my achievements, yes. So basically, now I'm a third year student, and during my 2 years, I've made the most of I've tried to make the most of my college life by involving myself into internships, volunteerships, projects, and leadership responsibilities at college. Currently, I'm the general joint secretary of my college society and also a senior coordinator of the another. Previous year, I also was a part of it, and this is just a consequence of the promotion that I got from there. And then coming to my internships, I have been involved in like around 8+ internships till now, and I've always tried to do my internships in various fields so as to make up my mind later on as to which domain I want to focus on and want to continue for my career. So I've been experimenting during my 2 years, and now I am here with my placement opportunity as well. And I just feel that experiences shape up a person, and that is the reason I have been able to achieve so much till now. And that is the reason I'm here as a panelist. And I feel that all the experiences that I had till now are actually help actually in community building and building lifelong relationships, which go with you throughout your life. And there's no point, you should stop learning even if you're not involving yourself into internships or any projects. I think just keep learning, and the hunger of learning should never die. The learning can be in any form, whichever you like. But yes, I strongly believe in that. The volunteerships and projects that I've been involved to also have been very varied. The social causes that I associate myself with are menstrual hygiene, and then education, female empowerment. And so I've been working and generously contributing to all these initiatives. um, Going on, my learnings from all these initiatives and all these experiences of mine has been that hard work and commitment are the keys of success. Good things don't come so easy, so you continuously need to strive hard to get that done for yourself. And the entire world recognizes you by the opinion, by the example that you set for them, and not by the opinion that others have of you. So just learn to lead your own path, and this is an advice that I would like to share with each one of you that I've experienced, and I would want you to inculcate that for yourself as well. Experience what you've learned. This is really important because, as we've already discussed, certifications do not actually add up to your profile in any way. You need to experience what you've learned from these courses and certifications and put them into real life experience, and that's when you actually make the most out of it. Learn to take good care of yourself, and for that, learn to say no when required. This is the best learning that I've got through my experiences. Because just 1 second, this is the last slide. Learning, as I said, so it has happened with me a lot of times, and I think that it might have happened with you as well. Sometimes there are a lot of opportunities that are in front of you, but taking all of them up actually could cause a chaos for yourself. So learn to respect yourself and take good care of yourself, so that, and say no to opportunities when you don't have time for them. So at the end, I would just want to say, do what you love and love what you do. Passion is all you need to focus upon. Thank you.
Great. I think so many nice things which you have demonstrated done, and our team can learn a lot from you. Even I have written in the chat, learn to say no. And that is what we teach to all of our volunteers. Not in fact volunteers, basically every learners. And we focus on learning by sharing and learning by doing. So as your message resonates with us, I'm very sure we will go long way together. And as you have rightly said, lastly, that if an opportunity comes to you and if it doesn't match with your ambitions, politely say no. I think, nobody will feel bad. And even if they feel bad, it's okay. It's their business. It's not our business, because it's not good to suffer for a long, then just to say no and finish it. Yeah.